How to unlock advanced BIOS settings in HP laptop. Now in this video, I'll show you on what to press for you to be able to access advanced options or advanced BIOS settings on your HP laptop. First is head out into the Windows icon or Windows search. Go into this option here that says shutdown and then choose on restart. Now once your HP laptop is fully loaded, press F10 quickly on your keys and you should be able to see the startup menu. Now, from the startup menu, choose on F10 that you will be redirected into the BIOS setup utility. From there, use your arrow keys to navigate through the main security configuration, boot options, advanced power and exit. Choose on advanced, and all those options that you will see on your screen are going to be the advanced settings of the BIOS setup. Now, sometimes it will ask for your password. If you have password on your laptop, just simply input it in so that you can access advanced settings. And that's it. That's how you unlock advanced BIOS settings and HP laptop.